In this video, I am going to share with you 15 different types of parrotfish with their information. Some parrotfish look like a heart, some like gold coin, and some grow bigger than your hand. Let's explore the most amazing types of parrotfish in the world. So first is Mammon parrotfish. The Mammon parrotfish, one of the largest and strongest parrotfish variety. It has thick muscular body, powerful jaw, and bright red or orange coloration. This fish can grow beyond 12 inches and needs a very large tank of at least 75 gallons. It is territorial and aggressive, so it is best kept alone or with equally strong cichlids. It eats pellet, frozen foods, and live foods and needs strong filtration and clean water to stay healthy. Now moving towards second types of parrotfish, that is red King Kong parrotfish. The red King Kong parrot is a brighter and more colorful version of standard King Kong parrot. It has a deep red body, strong swimming ability, and bold personality. It grows up to 12 inches and become very attractive, often recognize its owner. It need a minimum 55 to 75 gallon tank, warm water, and protein rich diet with proper care, and it can live 10 to 15 years. Now third is yellow blood parrotfish. The yellow blood parrotfish is a color variant of the blood red parrotfish. It has a bright yellow color, round shape, and small beak-like mouth. It grows up to 8 to 10 inches and is mostly peaceful but become territorial during breeding. It does best in tank over 30 gallons with hiding caves and smooth decoration. It needs warm water and balanced omnivorous diet. Now heading toward four types of parrotfish. This is tattoo parrotfish. Tattoo parrotfish are blood parrot cichlids that have been artificially dyed with pattern and symbol. The dye may fade over time, but their body shape and behavior remain the same. They grow around 8 inches and are peaceful community fish. They need a minimum 55 gallon tank, clean water, and calm environment to reduce stress. Now, fifth types of parrotfish, that is platinum polar parrotfish. This is a rare white parrotfish with a shiny metallic appearance. It grows up to 8 inches and has a calm temperament. It prefers warm water, soft lighting, and well-decorated aquarium with plants and caves. Platinum parrotfish eat pellets, vegetables, and frozen foods and can live up to 15 years with proper care. Now heading towards six types of parrotfish, that is red tiger parrotfish. The red tiger parrotfish has a beautiful red coloration with dark tiger-like marking. It grows 10 to 12 inches and is very active and energetic. It needs a large tank with strong filtration and frequent water changes. It can be semi-aggressive, especially during breeding, and should be kept with a strong tank mates. Seven types of parrotfish, that is yellow Santa Claus parrotfish. This parrotfish has a bright yellow body and round shape. It grows 8 to 10 inches and has a friendly personality. It prefers warm water and need a tank of at least 50 gallons. Yellow Santa Claus parrot eats pellet, flakes, and frozen food and live up to 15 years with proper care. Next and most popular variety of parrotfish, that is blood red parrotfish. The blood red parrotfish is the most popular parrotfish worldwide. It has bright orange to red body and cute rounded shape. It grows 8 to 10 inches and is peaceful with similar size fish. It needs a well-maintained aquarium with hiding spots and a stable temperature. With good care, they can live up to 15 years. 9 types of parrotfish, that is polar blue parrotfish. The polar blue parrot is a compact parrotfish with a beautiful blue body. It grows 6 to 8 inches and has a calm nature. It is suitable for community tanks and prefers sandy substrate and hiding caves. It eats pellet, flakes, and frozen foods. 10 types of parrotfish, that is heart-shaped parrotfish. This fish has a unique heart-shaped body because it does not have a fin. It swims differently and needs a calm water flow. It grows 8 to 10 inches and should be kept with peaceful tank mates. It needs smooth decoration and soft substrate. 11 types of parrotfish, that is yuan bao blood red parrotfish. The yuan bao parrotfish has a round body that looks like a Chinese gold coin. It grows 6 to 8 inches and is peaceful and slow moving. It has a small mouth, so soft sinking food is the best. It need a clean water and gentle filtration. 12 types of parrotfish, that is red Santa Claus parrotfish. This is bright red Santa Claus variant of blood parrotfish. It grow up to 10 inches and has a bold personality. It need a minimum 50-gallon tank and strong filtration. It is semi-aggressive and should be kept with similarly sized fish. 13 types of parrotfish, that is yellow tiger parrotfish. This yellow tiger parrotfish has a yellow body with black tiger stripe. It grows 8 to 10 inches and is a very active fish. It need a 50-gallon tank with rocks and tree food. It is semi-aggressive and should not be kept with small fish. 14 types of parrotfish, that is parrot horn cichlid. This is a hybrid of blood parrot and floron. It has bright colors, a large head hump, and an intelligent personality. It grows 10 to 12 inches and is territorial. It needs a large tank and high protein diet. Now heading toward last types of parrotfish, that is yellow King Kong parrotfish. The yellow King Kong parrot is a large muscular parrotfish with bright yellow color. It is intelligent and very attractive. It grows over 12 inches and need a big tank with powerful filtration. So guys, these are 15 types of parrotfish which I shared in this video. I hope you like and enjoy this video. We will meet with another this type of video. So give me permission to end this video. So guys, take care everyone and bye.